Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix out of memory error in Chrome browser. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, you need to type sysdm.cpl. It's sysdm.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the System Properties window, in this small window, you can find Computer Name tab, Hardware tab, Advanced tab, System Protection tab, Remote tab. Click on the Advanced tab. Here you'll find Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings. Now here in the Performance Options window, you'll find three tabs: Visual Effects, Advanced Data Execution Prevention. Click on the second tab, which is the Advanced tab. You'll find here virtual memory. Click on change. Now you can find this button automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Do not check that box. Then click on the custom size. For the initial size, just type here 1024 because 1 MB is equal to, like 1 gigabyte is equal to 1000 MB. So 1024. Also, the minimum allowed is 16 MB, recommended is 1875 MB, and the currently allocated is 2944 MB. So this is more than what is minimum allowed and is a lesser than what is recommended. Click on OK, click on Apply, and click on OK. Click on OK again, then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.